Super B is one of the most beloved supplements. I know I've said that for a few of them, but it is in definitely the top three. Super B for sure goes out of stock all the time because people go crazy for it. It's a very inexpensive supplement that Young Living carries, but man, I know people who stockpile this stuff because they're nervous for it to ever go out of stock. Now, in the supplements desk reference, I did a full 2-page write-up on this because there's so much content, and you can get the supplements desk reference on Amazon or on 31oils.com/supplements. So it's a fun way to look up all these ingredients, and just remember that Super B contains all of the B vitamins. So B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 12. That's why it's called Super B. And so just know that those B vitamins help our cells metabolize correctly. So there's an interesting kind of thing that people assume Super B gives you energy, but some people are like, well, I don't experience any difference in my energy with Super B. And that's really not what it does, okay? So some people will experience energy because they're so depleted of vital energy that it actually helps them feel better. But as far as giving you a boost of energy, that's not what Super B does. And again, each person is a little bit different, but I want to help you understand why some people might experience an energy boost and some people won't. So what it's doing is basically, when you understand what B vitamins do, is they help to process your fats and carbohydrates and proteins and things that you're eating, and to convert them into what's called a vital energy. And vital energy is the stuff that your body needs to run, right? Literally, not you run, but your heart to beat and your blood to go and your, eyes to blink automatically and you to breathe, right? These are things that you are not a machine, and we're not plugged into something. And what helps us stay plugged in, right, would be Super B, or just B vitamins in general. So I go over what each of the names are and what they're for. There's also PABA, which is an amino acid, which is really important, plus nutmeg, which does help with energy. So when people are saying this energizes me, oftentimes it's that nutmeg seed oil that they're responding to, and that's great. And we know that nutmeg in very small amounts is all you need, and these are 2 tablets. Our bodies needs B vitamins every day, so we don't produce them on our own. And so just know that it's a better practice to split them, even though Young Living says like take 2 30 minutes before breakfast. A lot of us do it where we'll take 1 at breakfast and 1 at lunch. And B vitamins are water soluble, and it really doesn't matter when you take them. You don't have to take them with a meal or without a meal. It doesn't matter. So you can take them with your other vitamins. So the way I look at it is, if it's in a multivitamin, which B vitamins are often in many multivitamins, then you can just take it whenever. So just know that about Super B, and we tend to split them because it helps your body have the proper B ratio as you're moving throughout your day. So 1 with breakfast, 1 at lunch is often how you're going to see them listed in the protocols. So there's a whole protocol section in the supplements desk reference, and that's going to help you understand why we split those up. So it's just fun to be able to, for me at least, a little research nerd here, I love looking up what like thiamine does and what riboflavin does and niacin and pantothenic acid, and understanding all of the different B vitamins. And so I just encourage you to read up on this. One of the questions that comes up all the time is like, well, if I'm taking Master Formula, do I need Super B since all the B vitamins are in Master Formula? And I can't answer that question. I know a lot of people who take Master Formula and Super B, and they swear by it because they just need that extra amount of B. But some of you guys who are on Master Formula and feel good, you may not need it. So it's something worth try to just see how your body responds. But that is exactly what you want to remember to do with any natural supplementation, is that you pay close attention to your body, see how you respond, and decide if it's going to be right for you or not. Not one person on this planet can tell you you need to be doing something. Only you know what you need to be doing. And a lot of times that might even mean going in and getting a blood panel done and seeing kind of where your levels are on certain vitamins and minerals, and then going from there. So that's it. We'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you get Super B because I love it. Okay, take care. Bye, guys.